Hello guys, in today's video we try to install this red dot, this non-optics ready Cz Shadow2. The first thing, as always, we have to check if the gun is safe. Yeah, nothing in the chamber. Okay. First, we need to remove the slide. Once we remove the slide, we can remove the internal parts, like the barrel and the spring. We're not gonna need those. On the top of the rear sight, you can find two screws. You need to unscrew them. So the rear sight on this model can be very tight. So I advise you to use one of this pusher. So let's see. Yeah, that looks good. As you can see, the sight is already moving. So just let's continue this until it's completely gone off. Almost there. Just a few more twists. Okay. The sight is off. I've got this vectoroptics plate. It's for the Cz Shadow2. You can see it's a dovetail adapter. Oops. Maybe you can use some blue Loctite on the screws if you want. Before I tightening up the screws, I just make sure it's about in the middle. Yeah, it will do. We need to use these pins as well, recoil pins. Okay. You want this tight as possible. Yeah, looks good. Let's assemble slide and the gum. And that's it. Just try it a few times. So yeah, now we have a Shadow CZ2 with optics. I hope you like this video. If you do, please like and subscribe. Bye.